Hey y'all, this is Brandon with Leather Dye Technologies, working with my co-workers Madison's car here. Gonna be taking the seats. She probably hasn't cleaned it in about 4 or 5 years. We're using our color prep and cleaner, gray scuff pad. This is only in preparation, or if you have some really deep stains, or like Madison, don't clean your car, just to remove those stains. And you can also use this to get ready to re-dye it if you're looking to do some touch-ups or a complete color change. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, so just want to take your color prep and cleaner, lightly mist it on the seat. I got some blue masking tape up so y'all can see the difference. So I misted the color prep on it. Take your gray scuff pad, start to lightly scuff the leather. You don't want to do it too hard or else you risk pulling off the original coating. Don't want to do that, don't want to make more work for yourself. Already starting to see some of the original color come out. Just with the scuff pad, what you're basically doing is wet sanding it. With the scuff pad, it is lighter, more gentler than, an actual piece of sandpaper. So you just want to lightly scuff it, see if there's any problem areas or if there's any deeper stains, focus on those areas. And you just want to make sure that you do keep it wet, keep the color prep and cleaner on it. That way it's actually cleaning it and you're not just scuffing it up. What I like to do, I like to go into circular motions. That way you're getting every angle, all of the dirt, all of the built up grime. That way it's all clean, the dye can adhere, and you got better looking seats even if you're not looking to re-dye. All right, so I just did this front bolster here. Madison, if you want to get a comparison, this is the clean side, and then this is the side that I haven't touched. You can see all that dirt that built up, that brownish color. This is actually the original color of her seats. And then this is, from all the built up dirt, grime, wear, just built into those cracks. But then after scuffing and cleaning with the color prep and cleaner, back to the original color. Now we're gonna do the rest of the seats and give you all a final comparison. All right, y'all, so I finished with the half of the seats, cleaning it up. I got the blue masking tape here just to give you all a comparison. It's gonna be a pretty big one, I can tell you that much. Real quick, Madison, get a look at the towel. This is what came off of her seats. So now we're gonna see the difference between the dirty side that I have not touched and not cleaned, and the side that I've cleaned with our color prep and cleaner and a gray scuff pad. Big reveal. Oh, look at that line. You see right here the difference. Dirty side, clean side, right where that masking tape was. So if you're looking for something to clean your seats, get ready for some dye, for some touch-ups, color changes, whatever your heart desires, Leatherworld's Color Prep and Cleaner, we got you covered. You can find it on our website, leatherworldtech.com. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to us, really helps us out. See you in the next one.